Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the Ilkovic equations that is come in polarography. Ilkovic equation is a reaction used in the polarography relating the diffusion current and the concentration of the non-polarizable electrode, that is the substance reduced or oxidized at the dropping mercury electrode, polarizable electrode. The equation for the current is the 607 Nd half Cm 2 by 3 T 1 by 6, where Id is the diffusion current in the microamperes and 607 is the constant of various numerical factor including the Faraday constant and density of Hg, etc. N is equal to the number of electron duly involved in electrode reaction, and D is equal to the diffusion coefficient in the centimeter square second inverse. C is equal to the concentration in the m mole per liter, and m is equal to the weight of Hg following via the capillary, and there are the mg say there's seconds inverse, and T is equal to drop time in the second. The Ilkovic equation is the hold the good for the drop time to vary between 2 to 8 seconds. In order to accomplish this aim and objective, the following two critical adjustments may be done carefully. First is the length of the capillary, measuring the Hg pressure to bring the drop time very much within the range, that is 2 to 8 seconds. There are the four major governing factors that influence the Ilkovic equations. First, both m and t shall change with the dimension of capillary, its length, and the applied pressure of Hg resistance, the reservoir to form the drop. Second is height of Hg column must be maintained constantly as the drop time slowly depend upon the applied pressure by the column of Hg at the tip of DME and analyte solutions interface. Third is the applied voltage in a DME assembly is responsible for causing the possible changes occurring in the prevailing surface tension of a drop at the tip of electrode. Evidently, the variations in temperatures and viscosity must be at bare minimum level because it disturbs the diffusion coefficient most significantly. In today's class, I discuss about the following Ilkovic equations for the polarography, diffusion, current estimation. Thank you.